How to market and sell products online. Let's go. Please subscribe to the channel to reach every important videos we upload. So there are many websites for selling products like Ista, Etsy.com, you can sell products on it. Jumia, you can sell products on it, online products, programming, any services, any educational courses. You can sell also about on eBay, the Noon. If you are selling products in Arabic world, you can sell in using Noon, Noon.com. You can sell products on Amazon. Sure, you can sell online books, online products, any physical products like memories, USB drives, flash memories, or oil, olive oil. Any products you can sell on Amazon. You can sell also on ACWID. You can sell on Odoo. You can create a product, منصة. تقدر تعمل منصة أو platform on it and name it some name and start to sell products online. And the famous one is the Facebook. You can sell on it very easily and you will concentrate with me to know how to do this. You click on these squares and click on marketplace, and in marketplace he will ask you about some things like the add photo. So you will press add photo and go in the directory where your programs or products are found on your system, and search about the product. I will sell a program which is called Soft Elevator. So I have images for this product. This is one of these images. Then it will be uploaded and appear here. Then I will call the product is soft elevator. This program for drawing elevator, for drawing elevators for installation. And then the price here is 500 Egyptian pound. Category it's electronics, programming electronics. Okay. Then condition, it's new. If you have used the thing like a refrigerator or washing machine, you can soft brand, soft elevator, and if you have the description, you can bring it from your folder of the program. So you will open this file and then fetch and copy the description of your